Okay, you guys, I'm trying to get, this is Kino, aka you stay at home cutie. I did manage to go ahead and take the bread out of the pan because I turned my air conditioner back on to the regular setting. And so I just want you to see, still a little warm, but let's move this back. Well, actually, this is the top of it. See how pretty that is? Now that's the dark setting. That's just the top, and you can see the my little my crunchy raisins. I think the next time I make this, I'm gonna actually just go ahead and put all of the raisins in when I first do the liquid, or do half and half. As you can see, it is so pretty. See, it's not rock hard. And then there's the back. I know a lot of people don't like the little hole, but when I make bread, I don't mind this, and it comes out so easily. I know some of the YouTubers are saying like the thing gets stuck in there, but so far I think that happened once. Let me see if I can move this back. See how clean that is? I mean, you got a little residue, of course, but the paddle stays in there. So that's why I'm so pleased that I bought this. Okay, so now the moment we have been waiting for, and I have this bread knife. By the way, nothing in my videos have been are being sponsored. This is the Pure Comanche 2. I actually went on Amazon. This knife actually has some good reviews. So, and this being the 2, and I think they have another set. So, but I got this on Walmart. I think it was like $7.99 or something like that. But you know, that's okay, because I needed a bread knife. It didn't come with my little mainstay set. So I've unplugged my bread maker, so let's see if I can maneuver around. Y'all know my apartment isn't but so big. Okay, so let me see. I'm right-handed, and maybe trying to adjust it so you can see the whole thing. And this is my cutting board. I actually got this as a gift. Well, it wasn't a gift, but I got it from Amazon. It is huge. I need to find the hook. But anyway, from what I was told, seen on YouTube, you don't. Oh, and there's the camera. Sorry, you guys. I need to be sleeping. Oh, okay. And you are in the way. Epic fail. I'm so glad that I had something in to the side to catch that. Okay, so cut, but you don't press down all the way. Ooh. Okay, the front part is always the messiest. That's what they say. And that is still warm. So, but I'm gonna let it cool. You guys, that is good. That is so good. So I'm gonna let it cool. I actually was supposed to let it cool a little bit longer. It's not that's moist, you guys. It is so good. It is so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, with this recipe, you don't have to use all the ingredients as much as I did. I think that's the reason why mine is a little moist right there. That, and it's also still warm. I just took it out the pan, and you're really not supposed to cut into it. I just did it because of the purpose of this video upload. So try it if you don't like raisin bread. Next time, hopefully I'll have real vanilla. I know that's one of the things. I can taste it, but it's not that rich vanilla taste. But this is a good recipe. And I hope you have a blessed day. And I will see you later. Blessings and peace. Love you guys. Bye-bye.